Have you ever built a great IoT project, only to feel limited by how you interact with it? Relying on serial logs on your computer screen can really disconnect you from your hardware, especially when you want a standalone smart device. That is where a dedicated display module like the ESP32-2432S028R comes into play. This is a 2.8-inch TFT LCD module that integrates directly with the ESP32 architecture, offering a self-contained way to visualize your sensor data. The 2.8-inch size is a sweet spot for many DIY projects. It is large enough to show graphs, buttons, and text clearly, but small enough that it doesn't take up too much real estate in a custom enclosure or 3D printed case. One of the standout features here is the resistive touchscreen. Unlike a standard display that just shows info, this allows for user input. You can create menus, toggle switches, or adjust settings directly on the device itself. If you are already comfortable with the Arduino IDE, you are in luck. This module uses the popular ILI9341 driver, which has extensive support in the open-source community. This means you won't have to spend weeks writing your own display drivers from scratch. What can you do with this? Think smart home thermostats, weather station dashboards, or even a localized remote for your lighting system. It essentially turns a collection of wires into a finished-looking smart gadget. Currently listed at $16.76, it is currently showing a 65% discount. For a module that includes the controller, the screen, and the touch layer, it sits at a price point that makes it quite accessible for a hobbyist build. Before you decide to order, check your pinout requirements. Make sure you have enough free GPIO pins on your current project board to support the display communication. Also, verify that the resistive touch surface meets your expectations for sensitivity. It is important to remember this isn't a high-definition smartphone screen. It is a functional, hobby-grade component. It works great for specific data display, but be realistic about the resolution and the resistive touch responsiveness compared to modern mobile devices. If this seems like the missing piece for your smart project, check the product details to confirm the current price and specs match your needs. It is a solid, practical option to consider for your next build.